Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to build determination in Voidpet Dungeon. All right, let's begin. To build determination in Voidpet Dungeon, you need to focus on evolving the character through different stages. Determination progresses across multiple stages, starting from the first stage and advancing up to the fifth stage. The main way to build determination is by using evolution materials, specifically evolution stones. These items allow your Void Pet to evolve into higher stages, increasing its strength and abilities. To evolve your character, go to the evolution section and use the required materials. As you progress to higher stages, the materials needed will change and become more advanced. You can obtain evolution stones and other materials by opening chests, completing missions, collecting daily rewards, or purchasing them from the in-game shop. Some higher tier materials are unlocked as you reach deeper floors in the game. Consistently gathering these materials and evolving your character will help you fully build determination. So that's basically how you can build determination in Voidpet Dungeon. That's it for this video. Thanks.